Hello, in this video let me introduce a recommended workflow for working with the Animecraft and Maya. So let's first open our sample file, this initial character rig, the advanced skeleton, the sample rig, and let's open that. And this is a character with no any of the mapping information on that. Suppose this character is in your rigging department. Your rigger or the rigging TD needed to do some setup on this character and save this file as an asset and pass to the animators. And your animators can work with this character and Animecraft without any of the setup intuitively. So let's do that. Let's first select any part of this character and open our mapping window of the Animecraft. So open that, and then you can see that our system find a template for this character because we previously introduced it. If there's the best match the template, our system will automatically find it and apply that to this character. You can see the body parts, fingers and joints and bone, and all of them was mapped. And if the system cannot find the template, you need to do that manually, step by step. We have already introduced the entire process from scratch of the mapping in the previous 6 videos. Please refer that if you don't know how to map your character. Then your character is mapped. We needed to do some preparation for importing and exporting. Please notice this the circle is orange. We need to click the match in the rest pose in your rigging department and they get ready for the import for this character, and then we can do the same thing for the export. Click the match, and you can see that both in the import and export mode, the circle turned to the green, so that at this time this character is ready for importing and exporting the animation to it. And now we can save this file as an asset. Let's save the thing as character 01, save. And then this character 01 can be an asset. You can pass that to the animators. Your animator can directly reference that to the scene, and they can work with this character with the Animecraft without any of the setup intuitively. Very easy. And so let's reference that. You can see that at this time when we select any part of this character, so let's first hide the joints because this mess. Okay, and select any part of the character and open the mapping window. You can see the everything is get ready, the both import and export mode. At this time we can work with this character and the Animecraft without open that the Animecraft window and directly. So let's do that. Let's open the Animecraft and select any animation inside of that. For example, this one. Let's right-click the Maya and select the Maya where we want to input the animation in. Here is Maya 2017, and make sure we select the end controller of this guy. And click the Maya 2017. You can see that your animation will be input to this character directly. So your animator can work with this as their instinct, and you can see that everything is very easy. Okay, this is a character talk, and then let's find another animation. Example, walk. This one, and we're going to input the walk to this character to continue from this animation. Okay, and then here let's put the frame to the 123 or 124. Okay, and click import again. You can see that we can choose the two different modes, the character direction and the animation rotation data. The first option means we can inherit the character's orientation and continue import the animation. For example, this character is face to the z-axis positive. It will import the animation in this direction. If we click the animation rotation data, that will ignore this character and directly choose the data in the animation resource. So let's usually click this animation direction. So let's import the animation. And so you can see that the your animation has been imported. And then of course we can export the animation from this character. For example, let's just to make sure the frame range is from 1st to 156, and select any part of this character, open the mapping window, and export the animation directly in the export mode, export animation, and AC G drive, AC resource, this AC sample, and let's name it as the combo test. Okay, click save, and you can see that your animation is writing to the disk, and it will be saved as a combo test.acd. The ACD is the AnimCraft format, the general animation format. And after that we can go to the AnimCraft and here AC sample. You can see that the combo test ACD is here, and let's just drag and drop to this 3D viewport and preview the animation. You can see that this is crafting the preview for this character. If everything is correct, we can click this button and to save the animation to this folder, new export, first combo test. Okay, and you can see that your animation is in your library. And let's do some test and export that animation again to the Maya character. Here, let's close this mapping window and extend the frame to the 117, and then click the import character direction. Now please notice this animation is the retargeted version and not the animation curves. So this can be imported, this animation can be imported to the game engine or the software like the 3D Max and so on, and you can see that the animation import again to this character. So this is the best practice for working in your production pipeline. You can save your character as an asset in your rigging department, and your animator can work with that very easy. Okay, and you can see the animation import again. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.